Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is gonna be my first video that I'm gonna make. This is for educational information only. So the reason I'm sharing this with everyone is to show you my look on the market, the overview on the market, and where we possibly heading to. As you can see now, the last weeks we had bearish price action. The last 3 weeks we have bullish price action. We have found a short-term bottom at around 32k Bitcoin. So for now we are possibly going bullish. But I will show you on the chart in a few minutes what I'm thinking, what are the possibilities of scenarios. For everyone, I am from the Netherlands, I am Dutch. I live in Belgium, not the Netherlands. I am Dutch, so if I talk English, it's not always perfect, but I'm trying my best. And let me know, would you like videos in English or in Dutch? Because for now I'm looking the community what they like, what they don't like. Me myself, I like to talk English, but I need to learn a bit more and get more used to it. But for now, I won't bother you with that. We are gonna talk about crypto and the overall market view. So if we take a look at Bitcoin, you can see the last 7 days we just like went sideways. But if you look at the overall market, the last 7 days, it's all red. It's bearish. But if you take a look at the chart, oh, first of all, I want to say this. If you are looking at ranking pages to watch like the crypto ranks and to see how much they moved in 7 days, the volume, the market cap, everything around that, the price, etc. If you look at that, then you can go to like CoinGecko.com or you can go to CoinMarketCap.com. Me myself, I don't like CoinMarketCap.com. The reason is the owners are Binance. They bought CoinMarketCap.com, so they will show the rankings in their best interests for themselves. So I don't really trust them. Not saying bad things about them, but for myself, I don't like them. I don't trust them, so I don't use it. I also use CoinGecko to see my portfolio. I'm not going to talk about this today, but if you use this, you have a very clear overview of what you're buying on which prices, how much profit you are right now, what's your average cost. So you can really look into everything very easy. There are a lot of tracking apps. We will discuss this later in other videos. But for now, I use CoinGecko and I'm very satisfied with that. So you don't always need to log in all your exchanges on your phone, and you also avoid the risk being hacked or losing your money. I don't know what can happen, but if you're using apps on your phone, it's always more vulnerable. It's more risky than on your desktop. Just keep that in your mind. So for now, we will take a look. What I also want to say is like a very interesting coin for me in the top 10 now is XRP. Why? They are working on payment infrastructure. In my opinion, if you see now the economic, what is happening, a lot will happen in 2022. A lot of good things, bad things. But I think we can go into a recession crisis, what can bring the market in a very bearish market for like say 1 year, 1.5 years, 2 years. So you have to take this in mind and think very clear before putting money in the market now. In my opinion, I am only waiting for a little bit more bullish price action. I will show on the chart immediately to take profits. I will not put money in the market now. I am waiting for the market to come down really hard like it did in 2018. And then we can see prices of 20k Bitcoin, 10k Bitcoin. And then you will see a lot of altcoins min 90%. So you have to take this in your mind, and then when the time comes that everything is gonna collapse, crash, then you can put a lot of more money into it than if you would put money in now, and that money will go into a loss. But in the short term, I think we have some bullish price movement. I will show you here. I have already did this, but I will do it away so you can clearly see what I am talking about. We'll do this way. So if you can see, I am looking at weekly candles. So every candle is 1 week. The reason why I do this is because in long term, you have a better clear view where's the market heading. If you're looking at 1 hour, 50 minutes, 4 hours, yeah, bro, you're fucking your own mind, in my opinion. If you are a short-term day trader, yeah, that's your thing. You can do that. I know a lot of people, they make money with it, so why not? But for me, I am a long-term investor and I'm a swing trader. So I will look at long-term bottoms and tops. So as you can see for now, I'm also dollar cost averaging weekly. So when I'm doing that, I am seeing, okay, the market has formed a bottom, a short-term bottom at 24 January, 31 January. So this is a really interesting place to look at, to just take a look at and keep this in mind. As you can see, so this is the place where we formed a bottom. So that place I looked to buy. I bought some, but I was willing. My idea was I'm buying here and I'm just gonna sell again at here. So what we did like 20, like 30% I made and I sold. Why did I sold? It was just a very short-term trade for me. Normally I don't do this, but it was very clear. If you looked at the previous support, we are at 32k and we didn't went there. This we have higher price action. So if I look at this was very clear for me. And also if I see the trend line from here, we didn't break it, nothing. So I bought in, I sold, and now I'm waiting at clearer price action. I am not the best in technical analysis. I'm more a fundamental investor, but I'm learning day by day more technical analysis. And what I learned from that is don't listen to other people. Just do your own thing and learn on yourself. And let's see if you're right or not. And then you can back test, and then you can see how you are doing. So if you can see a weekly move, we had a wave. In my opinion, we had a wave until here, then it stopped. In my opinion, this wave will go to here. We will touch this resistance. And then there's a possibility of breaking this trend line and going to this support and even deeper. But for now, I'm only looking to maybe touch the support again. The other scenario that I'm looking at is that we started here with a new wave. That we're going to make this wave. We're going to touch the current resistance. We're gonna retouch the trend line. We make a new support here, and then we will blow up again to go through the current resistance and maybe find resistance again here. Me myself, as you can see, this place in the market, this is between 52k and 60k. I am going to take profits. What I mean, I have a lot of altcoins that I'm holding that I didn't sold here. Why didn't I do that here? I'm gonna be honest. I let too much people come into my head. Like, bro, don't sell this, that, it's gonna be this, it's gonna be that. But I felt after this move from here to here, I was already getting in panic a bit. Like it's too much. It cannot keep going up. It needs to reset to go higher. That's normal. Nothing can go like in one line like this. It needs to come back. It's normal. So it's money in, money out. It's very simple. If you look at the market, but we will have this in another video. We will discuss that in another video. So what did I do? I just hold here, and I went like min 50% my whole portfolio, like in all my crypto. Yeah, this was a hard move, but it was a good test for emotions. I didn't panic sell and didn't do nothing. I just watched the market, then I saw this accumulation zone, and then we went back up, little retest, back up, and then we went back. But we didn't came as low as this. We just had a spike here, a wick, that's it. So in my opinion, for now, we're looking bullish. But like I say, keep in mind, we can retouch this and then come back here, and then we will see from here again what's gonna happen. We cannot know now. Nobody knows. People that say they know, they're full of shit. Nobody knows. Because just one bad news from the Fed or from governments or what else, it can impact the whole market. So don't listen to all those people saying, I'm 100% sure this, that, that, that. They don't know. So for now, what I do is just looking daily at the market, what's happening, and looking at the weekly candles to see in the long term, where are we going, where are we possibly going. So this is it for now. I hope you guys like it. Leave a comment to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like. I really appreciate that. I'm trying to build a community for people to grow together, to be like, yeah, to be like crypto wolves together, so we can benefit from it, all of us. Uh, I always learn in life, like if you want to go like make big change in the world, learn new big things, you have to have a community of people who are like building together, because on yourself you cannot build this. I know so much information, fundamental, but like technical, I'm not the best. So I will also make videos with somebody else in the future and discuss his view on the market with his technical analysis. Because everyone has another view and you should respect that. Because no one is always right 100%. Do you know what I mean? So keep an eye on this. I will make more videos. I will try to add more English. I will try to talk more better in English. Like sometimes it's hard to explain what I'm really talking about in English, but I'm doing my best and I will grow a lot together with you people. Um, so for the people under this video in the description, you will find a link for the Discord. You can join that. You can always send me on Instagram. I will put a link for Instagram also and for Twitter. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram or put a comment. I will as soon as possible get to you. So for now, I'm going to leave you people. Have a good day. Have a blessing. And let's enjoy the ride in the markets. Let's go.